Kia ora, Daphne here. Today I'm going to show you a plant called chickweed, or starweed, or kohu, or Stellaria, what's it called? Media? I've got my notes here, just to remind me, so I can get information out to you guys. It's a really important plant for many reasons. One of them is that it's a nitrogen fixing plant, so for the soil it will repair the soil. It's one of those, it's a weed, so it's one of those plants that you probably get really annoyed with in your garden and pull out. So if you do pull it out, eat it, because it's highly nutritious, or make medicine from it. It's really amazing for several things, so I'll talk to you about that in a minute. So I'll just introduce you to kohu. And this is it here. So, beautiful. So it's growing everywhere. And it likes to grow in really cool, damp places. And you want to harvest it in the cooler months, not summer. So spring, winter, autumn, those are the months. And you want to, if you're, and it's okay, so it's really highly nutritious, really full of minerals. Really quite incredible for the lymphatic system. So it's high in saponin, so when you eat it and have it topically through the skin, it helps to clear any blocked cotton mucus, specifically for cyst problems, things like that. Really good for lung infections. It's also so the saponins, which is kind of like a soap, if you think of it like a soap, it's soapy, increases the permeability of the mucous membranes, which increases the absorption of the nutrients, especially the minerals, from the digestive system. So that's a wee bit of info there about that. It actually soothes the whole digestive tract. And it nourishes the glandular and lymphatic systems, which is really good for the thyroid problems, or swollen glands, or cysts, like I just said. It can dissolve thickened lung and throat membranes. It neutralises toxins in the body. It weakens the bacterial cell walls, which is really interesting. So it makes them it makes the bacteria cells vulnerable to the antibacterial properties of the plant, and also other things that you're putting in your body, healing things. So it's an amazing plant. It's prolific. It grows everywhere and it self-seeds everywhere. It can be confused with another little plant that has so this has a white flower, and I can't quite. It's tiny. It hasn't fully opened yet. Tiny wee little tiny white flower. It does look like a little white star. So it's named Stellaria media, starweed. So it can be confused with another plant that has a similar leaf, but it's more round and it has an orange flower. So you want to be just identify the plant properly before you eat it or make medicine from it. Kind of hairy, yeah. So it's really yummy. So if you want to eat it, pick off those top things and eat that, like that. Beautiful. Yeah, put it in salads, soups, anything. You make oils from it, make tincture from it. You can do a lot of things with this plant. So just look into it. It's really quite incredible also for eczema and boils. Hot skin eruptions, things like that. So you can actually, and itchy skin, it's been used for a long time for eczema and itchy skin issues. So it's like a forest of it here. So, you can make a spit poultice, which is, I do that. So you chew it up and you make a poultice on it and stick it directly on the skin, and it's just an immediate thing that you can do immediately when you're out in the wild, or when you're out, you know. If you get a bite or a sting or something, yep, you make a spit poultice. That's what people have done for, well, we've evolved that way, just to use it directly from the earth, and using our bodies to actually macerate it and make it into a medicine that you can use immediately, which is really important to know, I think. You don't have to rely on something from a shop or something, you know. There's lots of ways of doing things. So a split poultice is what you can do use for quite a lot of plants. It sounds a bit gross, but it's not. It's not. Yeah. Anyway, so this is a lovely plant. This is a really lovely plant. If you are going to make oil from it, you just want to make sure you let it sit there for maybe a day or overnight on a paper towel, to just let because it's really kind of a wet plant. You want to drain a little bit of that wetness off, or else the oil will go off, rancid, which you don't want. So that's chickweed, another lovely little plant. Awesome. Cool. See ya.